Now, graphing a linear relation can be done more efficiently when using a spreadsheet application. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how that works. Take this problem. You and your friends go to Pizza Hut for a lunch buffet. The cost of the buffet is $13 per person, and you will all share one pitcher of pop with free refills that costs $8. The relationship between the total cost, y, and the number of people eating, x, is y is equal to 13x plus 8, where y equals the total cost of the meal, 13 represents the amount of dollars, number of dollars, per person for the lunch buffet, and the $8 represents how much a pitcher of pop would be. Create a table of values that shows how much it would cost if 1 to 10 people attend. Then graph the linear relation using the graphing tool. So here I've set up a table of values, and the first output, or the first meal cost, has already been calculated. And I wanted to show you how this was done. I clicked on this cell, and then I entered the equals sign, and then I entered in the relation. Okay, so I put 13, as in $13 per person. I multiplied it using the asterisk symbol on your keyboard, and then I clicked on cell A4, okay? So you just click on this cell, which represents the X value. So you're telling the application that that's what you want it to be multiplied by. 13 multiplied by whatever value is in that cell. And then we're adding $8 for the pitcher of pop. Okay? Now the neat thing about doing this is once you do it once, okay, in an application like this, you can just click on this little square at the bottom corner here of this cell, and you can drag that formula down. And what it's going to do is it's going to change the value of X for you as you go down the list. So it's automatically going to fill in that table of values for you. So if 10 people showed up for lunch, the total cost would be $138. And if 6 people showed up, the total cost would be $86, and so on. Now this linear relationship can be graphed using this application, and you can do that by highlighting the data that you want to graph, and include the titles if you want those to be included on the graph itself. Once you've highlighted the data you want to graph, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen, and then you've got several choices here. Now we are dealing with a linear relationship, so let's start with a line graph. And I'm going to select just a basic 2-dimensional line graph here. And you'll see that it pops up on our screen in an instant, and it shows very clearly that the relationship is a linear one. It makes a straight line. So as the number of people increases, so does the cost of lunch.